Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your SPayLater balance to ShopeePay. Let's get started. First, open your Shopee app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the Me section. You can find this at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, under the My Wallet section, you'll see different options like ShopeePay, Shopee Coins, SPayLater, and vouchers. Tap on SPayLater to view your available credit. For example, I currently have 30,000 Cuban pesos available. After checking your balance, go back to the home page of the app. For the top left corner, you'll see a scan icon. Tap on that. This will open your camera and allow you to scan a QR code. Now, here's the trick. To convert SPayLater to ShopeePay, you'll need to generate a QR code using a ShopeePay account. This can be your own second account or someone else's. Then use your SPayLater balance to scan and pay to that QR code just like a normal transaction. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart Shopee tips and mobile wallet tutorials.